Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. We are aboard Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. It's time for a room tour. This room is a Boardwalk balcony room. We're on deck 11. This is room 713. Come on in, check it out. Here we go, guys. As we enter in the room, off to the left side, you'll find your bathroom. Now, one thing I want to tell you, don't mind our luggage, we just came in. This, you do need a card, but they left us a nice card. That will control the power. Here's your main switch, so that shuts off your lights and turns on your lights. This is your bathroom. Be careful when you go in, elevated. That does have that little sign there, actually. And your switch for the lights are on the outside. I really do like this, though. I haven't even messed with it because right now it's very comfortable in the room. Let's turn the light back on. You got a couple hooks on your door here. You got a nice shower door, like plexiglass, plasticky. Open that up. You can see I actually have the clothes hanger already out there, which is really cool. So you can hang up your wet clothes in there to dry. Here's your shower head. And here is your, I guess, body wash. Body wash, shampoo, all in one. And Roberta just mentioned no conditioner. So that's what you get. Come outside the shower. It's pretty, oh, actually, I'm not wicked tall. I'm like 5'7". So actually the mirror is a good reference. I still got a good foot above me, 1.5 feet. So, you know, it will accommodate somebody pretty tall. Yeah, it looks like there's a light. No, maybe that's not a light. It's like a vent. All right, and over here, a little bit of shelves. You got a couple drinking glasses. The bathroom is, you know, it's a cruise ship. It's brand new. I do kind of like the little decoration on there. It adds to it, but not much different than most cruise ships. It's not huge for a standard room. I always do the arm test. You can't extend your arms. Nope. You got your towels here. You do have a little soap. Oh, that's kind of nice. So the soap dish is nice. And then, of course, you have your little shelf on the bottom there with your bath mat. But we will need some more towels because there is 3 of us. Here's a closet with your safe, some shelving there, hanger. There's more hangers, I think, over in the other closet. Couple drawers. And here you have a phone, so if you need to call, like, you know, guest service, you know, menu, you know, food. Got an outlet. Oh, yeah, there is a USB right there. Nice. And these are independent from the main switch. Coming around this side, you can see they have the TV, which is right up against the wall. A few hooks there, which is nice. And this is a, what, queen? It's pretty good size.
No, that's a king.
That's a king, yeah.
King?
And you'll notice the way the bed is designed, it's got a curve.
Because I think it's like two twins together. Right?
Possibly. I don't think these ones come apart though. I think it's all one mattress on this ship because of the way that it's designed with that curve.
There's a little gap here.
Oh, okay, so it is 2 put together.
Yeah, you see the board in that?
Oh yeah, okay.
So you
But, yeah.
probably could request them
Yeah, you probably
to
could.
separate.
You probably could. But man, it's so nice to be on a brand new cruise ship. The room is just fresh and nice. It's clean. And this is something that I think is cool because it saves space for the living area. You have kind of a double rack, so basically you can hang shirts and stuff there. So utilize the hangers for sure. Over this side, same thing. Although this lamp is not working, we'll have to get that fixed. But there's a couple little shelves too on the nightstand. All right, let's head in and check this other side of the room. And this bed will open up. As Jake's giving me a hand here. Thank you, Jake.
You're welcome.
This will open up. You can make a bed in the top, and then that will pull out. So you can actually make 2 beds out of that couch. But man, that's comfortable. Some nice artwork here. Swing around this side. You can see lots of outlets. Lots of outlets in this room. I really like this lighted mirror, too. That's really cool. So this is good for work, like for us with our computer while we're on a cruise ship. We try to get ahead of ourselves by doing some editing. And let's see what we got here. Okay, so you got your hair dryer, Kleenex, all different drawers, storage. I believe this will be our refrigerator. I do like this chair though. The chair is nice. And it's awesome to have a nice brand new room. Ah, not bad. But this is the part I'm very excited about, guys. The Boardwalk balcony. Let's go ahead, head outside and check this out. So you do have safety here, especially if you have kids. So you have this top latch and then this bottom. I would advise, even if you're just stepping out here, to shut the door behind you. Jake, do you want to come on out to the balcony with me, bud?
Sure.
Because the AC, it really does affect it. So I would come out and shut it again. So here is your look of a balcony over the boardwalk. Boardwalk balcony here on Utopia of the Seas. Look at this. Oh, the zip line's right up there. That guy just went across. This is cool, man. So we'll be able to watch people zip lining. Look at the aqua show right there. I guess we, you know, a little obstruction, but we could watch the show from here if we really wanted to. And this is just cool. It gives it a good atmosphere. There's something just dripped on me. Not sure what it was. And it's like water dripping down. So, but anyway, yeah, that is kind of strange though. Something dripped on me while I was out here. So, but anyway. I'm trying to make sure it's just water. I think it is. But here's your view. And guys, what we also like to do, oh, let me show you the chairs too. So you got a nice little table, and these chairs recline, or you can put them up to that position. So, very neat. And what we also like to do in our room tours is we do a review of the room, which is going to be right now. All right, guys, just want to give you a quick review of the room now that we're back. Sorry for the lighting. I'm actually at home because we usually do the review, the room review, while we're still in the room, but because of everything, you know, vlogging and all the different clips we made, we either can't find it or we didn't do it. So here, anyway, here it goes. So let me start with just quickly overall kind of go through the room. So the bathroom, everything was great. Water pressure, awesome. No issues with like water coming up out of the drains. Everything in the bathroom worked well. The linens they're fairly new, right? So they were really nice. As you come into the room, the storage in the room worked great. It was a little bit more streamlined, I think, than some of the other cruises I've been on, especially ships that are maybe 10 or 11, 12 years old. Sometimes there's so many closets, or there's just drawers all over everywhere. This one, they kind of utilized one space and kind of broke it down so that it was almost kind of like if you had a bigger area, you just kind of would go up and down with your hanging of your clothes and things. So plenty of room for storage there on that ship, especially for a 3 or 4 night cruise. The bed was awesome. Linens were great. They were all new. I would have to say Royal's not known for the most comfortable beds, but the bed in that room was decent. It was pretty good. Then as we make our way through the room, the desk, I really liked the desk. Again, that was very streamlined. It was basic, it was simple. There wasn't a bunch of drawers and shelves all over where the mirror is. It was just basic and easy. And I really liked the light up mirror. It had the light built into the mirror, which I thought was great. The couch worked well. We pretty much had it pulled out for Jake's bed the entire time. We didn't spend a lot of time in the room, basically to sleep, or, you know, maybe to get ready to, you know, shower and clean up and go do whatever we're up to next. But it worked great. There's plenty of room to sit, even that way. And you had the bench from the desk also you could sit on. And then the refrigerator worked really good. We had a few beverage and drinks that we kept in there, always nice and cold. And then out on the balcony, that was my favorite part of that whole room, was the balcony. Beautiful, you know, it's basically the boardwalk balcony view, but you get the whole after the ship, you can look out and you can see the ocean. We can see cruise ships coming in behind us. You saw when we were going in Nassau, the Disney Dream was behind us. We could see all that. We could look down on the boardwalk. We were able to watch the aqua show one night, because it was 2 different nights of our cruise. And one night it was on later, I think like 10:30, and I sat out there. We all were out there on the balcony for a little while. We could, you know, it wasn't the most perfect view, but you could see, you can hear. Speaking of volume, overall, when you had that door shut for the balcony and latched, you couldn't really hear the outside noise in the room. Now, there's an exception to that. When the Aqua Show was going on, the Aqua Show is, you know, very high, very loud, lots of decibels. That you could hear inside the room, but even then it wasn't like blowing your ears off. It was just, you know, maybe if you were trying to go to sleep or you had little kids trying to go to sleep, possibly could bother you. All depends how much tolerance you have for noise. But other than that, inside the room, even with the pool deck, you know, it's Utopia of the Seas. They advertise as one big weekend, one long weekend, party. The pool deck is a lot of parties, and it's loud on the pool deck, and that does come down onto where if you're out on your balcony, you could hear all that. But inside the room with the door latched, very minimal noise. So overall, I really don't have any complaints about the room at all. It was actually one of my top rooms I've ever stayed in. Really enjoyed it, liked it a lot. So guys, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Thank you to our Patreons, and last but not least, see ya.